Welcome to Car Chronicles. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is here, and it's more powerful, aggressive, and technologically advanced than ever before. This is not just a refresh, it's a bold statement from Lamborghini, blending breathtaking design with next-level performance. If you thought the Huracán couldn't get any better, think again. Under the hood, the 2025 Huracán is expected to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, replacing the iconic naturally aspirated V10. This move aligns with Lamborghini's transition toward more efficient yet incredibly powerful powertrains. The new engine is rumored to produce over 800 horsepower, delivering an insane level of speed and acceleration. With advanced hybrid assistance, this Huracán is set to redefine the brand's approach to high-performance supercars. Acceleration is nothing short of mind-blowing. The 2025 Huracán is expected to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest Lamborghinis ever produced. The all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power is efficiently put to the ground, providing razor-sharp handling and unmatched stability, even at high speeds. The exterior design stays true to Lamborghini's sharp, aggressive styling while incorporating even more aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia is more sculpted, with larger air intakes to improve cooling and downforce. The rear end features a massive active spoiler, redesigned taillights, and an aggressive diffuser that not only adds to its visual appeal but also enhances aerodynamic efficiency. Every line and curve serves a purpose, making the Huracán as functional as it is stunning. Step inside, and you're greeted with a futuristic yet luxurious cockpit. The interior is dominated by high-quality materials, including carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather. The driver-focused digital cockpit has been upgraded with a larger, high-resolution touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and performance data. Lamborghini's latest infotainment system ensures that even when you're driving at insane speeds, you remain in full control of your experience. The customizable digital gauge cluster adds another layer of personalization, allowing drivers to tweak settings to their liking. Lamborghini has also worked on making the new Huracán more comfortable for daily driving. The adaptive suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride quality, and the latest driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, make city driving more convenient. However, don't mistake this for a compromise. The Huracán is still an untamed beast when you want it to be. With all this power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the big question is, how much does it cost? The starting price for the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is expected to be around $270,000, but with customization options, performance packages, and exclusive trims, the price can easily go beyond $350,000. For those looking to own a true masterpiece of automotive engineering, this price tag is a small sacrifice for the ultimate thrill. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. It's for those who crave speed, precision, and head-turning design. Whether on the track or the open road, this machine is built to dominate. The legacy of the Huracán continues, and with this latest iteration, Lamborghini has once again set the bar higher. Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments. This script is packed with excitement, performance details, and a compelling call to action for your Car Chronicles audience. Let me know if you need any tweaks.